Bienvenido.
Thank you. What? So is this your own little fleet? This is incredible.
You haven't seen anything yet. Let's go.
Let's go.
This is our front yard where many people spend a lot of time in the pool. And then we have like a barbecue area.
And I can actually even hear the ocean. We're right on it, aren't we?
We are right there. The house is only 60 feet from the ocean.
This is a really unique backyard, but it's getting hot.
Yes.
Can we get inside for maybe grab a drink or something like that?
I would love it.
Whew, okay.
So this is the main hallway for the bedrooms. We have one room that overlooks the garden, but all the rest of the rooms basically look the ocean. We have 4 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms here. And then the second level, we have another 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. And now we have some mimosas and some fresh towels.
Then you have this. This is what you come here for. Out of all the places in Tulum, what brought you to this location?
The truth is that this has been in my family for 4 generations now. The land was from my grandfather since the 19th century. My father passed away when I was 15 years old, and I was the only child. So it was me and my mother, and we saw that Playa del Carmen and Cancun started building hotels, and so many people came to us and tried to buy or forcing us even to sell. We stayed together and we start building and developing, and eventually we consolidate. And right now we are one of the only local families that still have a place in the Mayan Riviera.
Cheers to that, man. This just does not stop getting better. What do you think makes this particular property unique?
The best part for us, I think, is the location. We're right in the middle of everything, in the heart of the Mayan Riviera. What we try to offer here is a 5-star service. We have security 24/7, maintenance people available 24/7. If you want private chef, if you want massages, we have a dive shop. You can use our restaurant that we have incredible seafood, fresh every day coming from the ocean.
Yeah.
And we have the beach club too. You name it. We can do everything. We offer the real Mexico, the real Caribbean. What I want is people to disconnect from the real world and come and just feel that you're in real Mexico.
I love it. Well, it is time to dip our feet in the sand and go enjoy this view. How do you think you want to be remembered here?
It's what I told my kids. I think we need to do what we can to put our stamp, to bring something for the new generations.
Yeah.
For me, what I see is the best is to keep this in the more natural way. We just want to be a little piece in the world that you can feel this is the real one.
What would you tell your kids if they were to watch this in 30 years from now?
I would just say, do your best and enjoy it every moment, because it's a privilege to serve people, to bring happiness to people that's looking for escape. Many people make a sacrifice to come to an area like this, and maybe it's going to be one time in their life.
Yeah.
So we wanted to have the best experience possible.
That's what matters.
I think that's the most important part.
Thank you for that. Cheers.
Salud.
Salud.